Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Kia Rio's engine control unit, or ECU, using an easy method. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always disconnect your car's battery first to prevent any electrical issues. You will need just a few basic tools, primarily a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver, to complete this task efficiently and safely. Let's get started with the preparation steps. The first critical step is to safely disconnect your vehicle's battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually a large rectangular box. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal, which often has a minus sign. Remove this cable and tuck it away. Then, repeat the process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. This ensures no power flows through the system, protecting you and your car's electronics. Now, let's locate the ECU. In many Kia Rio models, it's found in the engine bay, often mounted near the battery or against the firewall. You'll see two large electrical connectors plugged into the unit. Carefully unclip or unbolt these. Next, identify the 2 to 4 nuts or bolts that secure the ECU to its mounting bracket. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove these fasteners, taking care not to drop them into the engine bay. With the connectors and mounting hardware removed, you can now gently lift the engine control unit from its position. Take a moment to check for any hidden wires or clips that might still be attached. Once free, carefully remove the ECU from the engine bay. Remember to store the unit in a safe, dry place, especially if you plan to reinstall it or send it for repair. Proper handling is key to avoid any damage to this sensitive electronic component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.